Hi everyone, this is Practice Formatif, Chapter 4, question number 31. So during a meeting, 3 executive officers, 3 managers, and 4 workers are seated at the round table. So we have to determine the number of ways they are seated if there are no conditions imposed. So over here, 3 executive officers and 3 managers and 4 workers. So all in all, we have n equals to 10. And when there are no conditions imposed, we just use the number of arrangement at the round table. That will be 10 minus 1 factorial. Therefore, 9 factorial. So let's put 9 factorial. Okay, so we have 362,880 ways. 362,880 ways to arrange the seat among these 10 people. And next, part B. A particular executive officer must sit between a manager and a worker. I will use illustration way. So let's draw 10 seats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So since we want the particular executive to sit, so let this fella to be the first one to choose the seat. So there is only one way to arrange the seat for this particular executive. And now we have the remaining 9 people there, whereby manager and workers must sit on both sides of the executive officer. So over here, we may have managers sitting on the left or managers sitting on the right. So we have 2 conditions. It's either like this. Okay, the workers sit here. Yeah. All right. So the managers sit here, the workers sit on the left, and the managers sit on the right. Okay. Fill in the blank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for the first scenario, this is the second scenario. So the number of ways to fill in the seat beside the executive for workers. So since we have 4 workers, so 4 ways here. And then the number of ways to slot in the manager, there are 3 ways here. So since 3 of them have taken their seat, so we have the remaining 7 of them. So the remaining 7 will just choose any seat after that. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So over here, that will be 7 factorial times with 3 times with 4 or plus. Same thing, we have either 4 ways for the workers on the left or 3 ways to put the manager on the right of that particular officer. So the rest of the workers will choose their seat once these 3 people sit down. So we have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same thing, 7 factorial times with 3 times with 4. So add these 2 together. So 7 factorial times with 3 times with 4. And this condition happened 2 ways because the manager and the worker will permute themselves, so times 2. Therefore, we have 120,960 ways. 120,960 ways. That's for part B. Next, part C. The 3 executive officers sit separately. If they cannot sit together, all right, 3 of them, it's not 2, 3 of them. We cannot use the complement way. What we can do is fill in the space in between. So let us put this 7 people around the table first. Okay, so let's draw the round table. Draw 7 seats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this 7 seat, any one of them just go in first. So remaining will be 6 of them. We have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now there are space in between them. So these are the space whereby we can slot in the executive. Okay, we can slot in the executive manager, the executive we can slot in the executive officer. So how many empty slots for that 3 executive officer? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 empty slots. Okay. P 7P3 times with 6 factorial. Okay, 6 factorial times with 7P3. 151,200 ways. 151,200 ways. Okay, that's question number 31.